Welcome back in the kitchen. I give a Chef Ricardo juice bar. Resolution 2020. Please enjoy this lovely recipe. Subscribe. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo. We always give you the best recipe. Very easy, step-by-step recipe. And for this one, I know you guys will love it. Make it at home on an empty stomach and drink it and see exactly what happened in 10 to 30 days. And you will see what happened. I love you all. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. 2020 resolution. A lot of people want to make some decision for the 2020. And you know, I mean, if you want to make a decision for 2020, this is one I'm going to share with you. 2 cups of water into a medium-sized pan. All right, make sure turn on your stove. And what we're going to do, I'm going to get a medium-sized lemon, because you can detox your body and also lose weight at home. All right. Secondly, is to drink this first thing in the morning before your breakfast. All right, guys. So we're gonna pop this straight inside of a pot like this, and I'm using half of a lemon, or you can use lime. All right. Straight in the water. Now we're going to get a piece of a ginger. Cut up your ginger very finely. Put it straight inside of the pot like this. And now we're going to put this to the boil for roughly about 5 to 6 seconds. It will take roughly about 7 minutes, guys. So I want you to enjoy the recipe. Sit back and watch this recipe. We're going to be using some organic honey to sweeten it. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, oh, it's boiling. All of that, you know what I mean, vitamin, everything inside of it is just really going to do a mighty work, guys. Look at that. Beautiful and amazing. I've been having it boiling in roughly about 7 to 8 minutes now. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be getting my cup preparing. Yeah, nice and lovely. So what I'm going to do is pour out that water now. So enjoy it, because it's ready and it's good to go. And that is lovely and nice. Now I'm gonna simple pour it off. And we're going to get some organic honey, roughly a tablespoon of organic honey. Put a few of this inside of it like that. Honestly, the only thing I can say to you guys is drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. If you have a little cold or flu, or if you know what I mean, if you want to make a resolution for 2020, say, you know what I mean, I want to lose weight, I want to detox, you know what I mean, this is a very good recipe, tips and ideas. What you can do at home is to drink it for roughly about 30 morning or 10 morning and see the way it react with you. Please enjoy it and subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo, and the team will be coming. Leave your comments and remember, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. I love you all. Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. Resolution, if you want to make something for 2020, tips and ideas for you. Enjoy it.